Is your TCL TV remote refusing to talk to your screen? Don't worry, because we are going to get those buttons clicking again right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Remote pairing issues usually happen because of a Bluetooth signal jam, corrupted pairing data in the TV's memory, or a simple power hang in the remote's hardware. Let's re-establish that connection with 10 advanced solutions. Step 1. The total remote drain. Remove the batteries from your remote and press every single button on the remote at least twice. This drains the internal capacitors and resets the remote's microchip. Step 2. The Google TV Home and OK Sync. If you have a Google TV model, stand within 3 feet of the TV. Press and hold the Home and OK buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds until the pairing light flashes. Step 3. The Roku TV Back and Home Reset. For TCL Roku models without a pairing button, hold the Back and Home buttons for 5 seconds. If your remote has a dedicated pairing button in the battery compartment, hold it until the status light begins to blink. Step 4. Perform a cold boot on the TV. Unplug your TCL TV from the wall for 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 15 seconds to clear any stuck Bluetooth cache. Step 5. Check for button jam. A single stuck button, like volume or mute, will prevent the remote from entering pairing mode. Firmly rub your thumb over all the buttons to ensure none of them are physically wedged down. Step 6. Use the TCL mobile app. If you can't navigate the menus to pair a new remote, download the Roku or Google Home app on your phone. Use the digital remote in the app to navigate to remotes and accessories and manually select Add Accessory. Step 7. Inspect the IR sensor path. Even Bluetooth remotes often use infrared for the initial handshake. Ensure there are no soundbars or decorations blocking the bottom edge of your TV frame. Step 8. Clear the Bluetooth stack. Use your mobile app remote to go into the TV settings. Find Remotes and Accessories, select your old remote, and choose Forget. This clears the way for a fresh hardware pairing. Step 9. Replace with fresh alkaline batteries. Bluetooth remotes are power hungry. If your batteries are below 30%, the remote might have enough power to blink, but not enough to maintain a high-frequency pairing signal. Step 10. Check for 2.4 GHz interference. Move your Wi-Fi router or any wireless speakers at least 3 feet away from the TV. These devices can drown out the low-energy Bluetooth signal the remote uses to pair. Here's a pro tip for you. You can check if your remote's hardware is actually sending a signal by looking at the top of the remote through your phone's camera. If you see a flashing purple light on your phone screen when you press a button, the remote's hardware is working perfectly. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more expert fixes. Your remote will be back in control in no time.